Hey guys, what's up? Today I wanted to introduce you to this really beautiful dresser that I received in exchange for an honest review, and I'm just going to kind of take you through the assembly process, show you everything. This is the box that everything came in, really well wrapped, and then I just kind of pulled everything out to get it ready to go. Everything is really clearly labeled, and it does look like a lot of pieces, but a lot of it goes together in the same way. So once you kind of get, for example, how to put a drawer together down, then you just repeat the process and it's really easy to do. So it was really easy to follow along with some of the videos online. And yeah, so let's kind of look at some of the other details. These are all the screws and parts. Everything feels really high quality and well made, well labeled. You can see here on the things that are for the drawer sliders, they each come with a uh, an imprinted label rather than a sticker, so you want to look for those. And then on here, this is where you drill your screws into. You're going to have 3 screws in each one, and it's really easy once you see kind of where they're placed to see the little drill holes. Everything's super easy to do. It does come with a screwdriver. Now I did use a drill as well, so I would get everything started with the screwdriver and then I'd just finish it off with the drill. You can easily do it by hand, but a drill just makes it that much easier if you happen to have one handy. So once you get all of the initial pieces installed, you really start to see it come together pretty quickly. You can see here we've got one of the larger base pieces, and you use all of these little brackets to kind of put it together, and it's really simple and easy to do. Then we slide those pieces in and it really starts to fill out. You can see we've got 2 pieces, and then you just add the third on and it's all one large piece. Then all we really have to do is assemble the drawers from there. So the drawer assembly is pretty straightforward, really easy to line everything up and kind of see where it goes. Again, everything is really clearly labeled. So the drawer assembly, once you have one going, you can kind of do almost like an assembly line sort of process. So super simple to do. 6 of the drawers are going to be exactly the same, and then the ones in the middle are a bit wider, and so those go together a little bit differently. But it's all really similar. Again, easy to follow along. Really beautiful, beautiful pieces. Then you can see here I've got 6 of the drawers in, and then once we do the large ones, you can see here they have a middle piece, so that's the main thing that makes them a little bit different, just to support since they are a little bit longer. And then here is where everything is assembled. We have all 9 drawers in, and then all I have to do now is come and peel some of the little stickers off, which were really easy to take off, and I'll show you that here in a second when it's all been completed. So this is the final piece after all the stickers have been removed, and in a second I'm going to move this in place to replace my TV stand, and we'll see it with the TV on top of it. It looks so great in my living room, such a great contrast with my floors. I really love the space saving and all the storage I get out of this. So would look beautiful in a bedroom or a living room, and I'm super excited about this. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.